Hello there. It is Sunday morning and we have driven out to High Falls Trail, which is near Cullowhee, and really excited. Apparently it's a 3.7 mile in and back hike to a beautiful waterfall area. You excited?
I'm really excited.
Woo! Woo! But what about you? Are you excited? That is a let's go into the forest face.
Where are we, baby?
So when you pull off from the main road, it's gonna be a little sort of gravel dirt road in. The trail starts at this orange gate.
We're waiting for Mike Green.
Patiently waiting
Mike
for my father.
Green, you're always late.
And my brother.
Hope you see this.
Yeah, so I don't know if they ever will see this, but they are late, as
Really late.
is tradition.
Yep. What are we gonna do now? Let's talk about things. Let's talk about living in North Carolina. People ask us about that a lot.
Okay, well.
Okay, so many bugs out here. All right, I feel like sometimes we actually get to live like it's vacation. So I didn't do a lot of outdoorsy things in Miami. There really isn't much in our defense, but I feel like it's really cool that we get to discover all these areas that people actually will travel around the world to come see. And it's just right at our fingertips.
You're just
Sorry, I'm sorry. My arms.
You know you could just tilt this, right? Like,
and then get the worst angle ever. You're welcome.
Oh, so you want to be up here.
You're gonna
That
give me
makes
a
sense.
bapa. I have
Go
short
straight on.
arms. My arms get tired.
This video is taking a turn. It's gonna come down here.
Sorry, okay, let me. So we have been North Carolina residents for 2 years.
2 years and 9 days. No, 10 days.
Wow, you have the date?
Well, actually, I don't know what day it is today. It's the 12th, so 11 days. 2 years and 11 days we've been North Carolina residents because we started our lease July 1st and we moved to that little townhouse in Asheville.
All right, what's your favorite part of small town living?
The community and the complete absence of traffic. I don't think Bo's figured out she can get around this gate. Bo, you're not.
Help her out. Help her out. And you're out of prison.
Look at that. That's so good.
Bo on her merry way. Us on our merry way.
Right after you get out of the High Falls Trail, there's a little fork in the road here. One goes down to the right and one goes up to the left. Definitely go up to the left. So it is quite muddy.
It's a little muddy. That's okay. It's like
Yeah, not bad.
part of the
I can imagine if it rained like yesterday though, this would be
very
extremely muddy. So
It's really, really pretty. It's definitely heavily populated. A lot of people. I don't mind that.
Dog
That's
friendly?
great. Dog friendly. Right.
We're gonna walk around the mud though.
So first,
And now she's gonna go pee or poop off trail, as per usual. Guess that was number one.
quick detour.
Yes.
And look what we found.
Took a little off-trail, sort of tiny trail to the right, and it led us to a very, very gorgeous little oasis, part of the river.
Honestly, I would have just hung out here. I would have known about it. her favorite. Here we go.
So we just got to a very beautiful area. It seems to be the bottom of what I guess would be the, what would you call this? No, we got to keep going up to actually see the beautiful waterfall.
Oh.
But this is like where the waterfall finally ends and sort of turns into what is the rest of the river.
Yeah.
So I'm really excited to get up to the top and see what that's all about.
Yay!
Great hike choice. Boom.
All right. Jaime was absolutely right. We had not arrived. This is ridiculous.
So, what do you think about this, baby? She is going to stick her feet in, everybody. I know.
Don't kick me. What are you doing, Bo? We're going? Wow, babe, that's so crazy. stung by a bee. I know, I'm not gonna fall to win. I'm just afraid I'm gonna fall, but I'm not. This is absolutely incredible.
This was super amazing. Definitely go in there, bring a bathing suit, take your shoes off, and be careful because the rocks are slippery and at some point it gets super deep and you have to swim around. And it was amazing. So cool.